Hello! All right, so today we've rounded up 10 potential side hustles for your personal training business that work perfectly with ABC Trainerize that can help you diversify, scale, and thrive this year. These are good ways to bring in a little extra coin on the side, and whether you're looking to do it now or in the new year, it's time. So let's go. Number one, sell digital workout programs. If you aren't already doing this with people that you train, it's a great idea. Being able to sell digital programs on your Instagram, TikTok, or wherever else you live online is a great passive income stream. If you're posting already and you have these programs built, why not offer them to the public at large? Also, with Trainerize, you can automate the process, so when people go to buy, they click and have everything sent to them automatically, no work on your end. Also, these low-touch programs are great because you don't have to have the same level of connection as you do with your one-on-one or your high-ticket clients. So that means people buy the package, they download it, and they can work through the program on their own without you guiding them along. This is going to save you time, money, and energy. To do this, simply upload your workouts into ABC Trainerize and package them as a 4, 6, or 12-week program. Then you can sell them on your website or social media. Pro tip, it's kind of fun from a marketing perspective to give it a bit of a catchy title like 6-week glute glow up. That was off the top of the head, but you could probably think of something better. Anyway, next tip. Okay, number 2 is to offer nutrition coaching or meal plans. Combining fitness with nutrition is one of the easiest and most effective ways to level up your revenue. And with ABC Trainerize's nutrition features, you can easily offer meal guidance, assign goals and habits, and help with meal planning. Pro tip, you don't even need to be a registered dietitian to do this. And you can help your clients have a more healthy relationship with their food. By offering basic meal planning and supporting healthy habits in the app, you can provide tremendous value. Side hustle number 3, run an online or in-person challenge. Now, we all know that challenges are a really fun way to build community, boost accountability, and bring in a little extra scratch. But you can run a 30-day step challenge, a 6-week strength series, or a mindfulness challenge for your current audience as well. And ABC Trainerize Groups allows you to facilitate the challenge right inside the app. So you don't even have to download another app to do it. So easy. Use the leaderboard to track progress, offer incentives for participation, and keep your clients engaged. It's a great way to energize your coaching community and bring in some fresh leads. Get your clients to bring their friends, bring their family, bring your aunt, bring your uncle, bring everybody. Everybody's in the challenge. Okay, next side hustle, number 4, is sell fitness templates and resources. If you're already using templates for client check-ins or progress tracking, you can use those resources for other coaches or clients. Think weekly habit trackers, Google Sheets logs, printable PDF planners, or digital checklists. If you have these assets, chances are other coaches are looking for help in that area. So it's easier for them to buy a template to get started than to try to start from scratch. Pro tip, try hosting your products on a platform like Etsy or on your own website. These small digital projects are pretty low maintenance, and they have the power to help you receive passive income on repeat. Bing. Side hustle number 5, teach live or pre-recorded classes. If you love the energy of teaching, this might be a great one for you. Why not turn that into a recurring income stream by offering virtual classes? You can teach via Zoom or Instagram Live and then upload the recordings into ABC Trainerize for on-demand access. Pro tip, you can try offering drop-in passes, so like something like class packs or even monthly subscriptions. Whether it's yoga, mobility, HIIT, whatever your program is, pre-recorded classes are a great way to get people involved, and they're really easy for clients to follow along. They also serve a wider audience. Side hustle 6 is to start affiliate marketing. You're already recommending your products to clients, so why not get paid for it? Partner with brands that you know and trust and earn affiliate commission on gear, subscriptions, wellness, or even books. It's relatively low maintenance and you can earn extra income. Simply share links on your social channels, blogs, or newsletters. This is actually a timely update if you're watching this. Right now, ABC and Trainerize have a partnership with Gainful. They do supplements, proteins, all that kind of stuff. And if your clients start buying, I believe there's a kickback for you. So look into that on the ABC Trainerize website. I'll also link it in the description below. Pro tip on affiliate though, make sure whatever you're selling is aligned with your values. Like, don't just start selling anything. Make it make sense. Side hustle number 7 is to offer specialty coaching. Now this is where passion meets premium pricing. So whether it's prenatal coaching, postnatal coaching, injury prevention, mobility work, perhaps a pre-season skiing program to help people prevent injury. It could even be mindset mentoring. All of these things help you stand out from the competition by niching down and offering something very specific. And a pro tip is you can use ABC Trainerize to build tailor programs and deliver them with high touch support. So when you specialize, you become the go-to expert, and that opens doors for higher value clients. Side hustle number 8 is to create content. Whether that's a podcast, YouTube, a blog, make sure you enjoy sharing your voice if you want to do this one, but it could be a great way to grow your authority and your audience. Also, you build a better relationship with people, and then they're more likely to want to train with you and learn more about your expertise. Over time, you'll be able to monetize through ads. You also might be able to increase your affiliate income, and you might be bringing in new clients. Also, don't forget that ABC Trainerize has the ability to serve as your delivery platform for those leads as they come in. Side hustle number 9 is to write an ebook or a fitness guide. Turn your most asked questions into a quick digital product. For example, think outside the box and create an ebook like Macros Made Easy or a beginner-friendly strength training guide. These guides are great lead magnets or low-ticket digital products. You can also include them in your ABC Trainerize programs as bonus resources to add value to your existing coaching. Side hustle number 10 is coach the coaches. If you have your business down and you've been doing this for a while, but you're just looking for like one more way to generate income, take what you know and train other personal trainers to do what you do. All of the business systems you've built, all of your lead generation tactics, all of those things have value. So start marketing yourself to other coaches and offer your expertise or a package of some sort to them. You can do one-on-one mentorship, you can do small group programs, you could also do workshops on building your client base, growing on social media, or pricing strategies. So remember, your business doesn't have to look like everybody else's, but find the combination of things that works for you. Also, with many of these videos, I try to remind people, don't go after every single tip. Try to choose one that works for your business best, 1 or 2, and iterate, double down on what works, phase out what doesn't. So with that in mind, we can't wait to hear from you in the comments if you have any questions, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.